Hello and welcome to a short video about the factorial function. In this video, I'd like to explain the meaning of the factorial, basically what we are actually calculating. You might have seen the formula before, and factorial is 1 times 2 times 3, and so on, up to n. So for example, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, and so on. The factorial grows very quickly. If you use a calculator, you'll usually hit the memory limit around 72 factorial. It's just too large as number. Now, what does the factorial mean conceptually? Very simply, n factorial is the number of ways to arrange a set of n elements. So, for instance, with two cars, a Dutch police car and a little American school bus, we have two possibilities to arrange them. They can park like this, and of course they can switch, and we have our second arrangement. So 2 factorial is 2. So, and of course, if I add a third car, that is a Feuerwehr, it's a German car, we have a set of 3 elements and we can arrange them. And we have already here our first arrangement, and of course they can park like that. That's our second arrangement. And I can switch the police and the ambulance, and I get my third arrangement. They can switch. It's my fourth arrangement. And then the school bus can go to the first place, and I get my fifth arrangement. And of course, these two can also switch, and we have our sixth arrangement. So 3 factorial is 6. And of course, I can add another car. So we have 4 elements. And if you enjoy to play with your cars, feel free to do it. But of course, it will take some time, because 4 factorial, if you think about the formula, is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, and we get the result 24. So when you start playing, you will get 24 different arrangements for these 4 elements. And with a fifth element, you will get 120 arrangements. And with sixth element, we are already dealing with a number like 720. So as you can see, the factorial is growing very fast. In short, it's nice to have a formula that helps us count the number of arrangements of a set. Conceptually, that's what the factorial represents, the number of ways to arrange n elements. And one more important thing, 0 factorial is defined as 1. If you enter 0 factorial in your calculator, you will get 1. You can't really show that with cars, but mathematically, if you have an empty set, there's exactly one way to arrange nothing. So 0 factorial is 1. For a single element, 1 factorial is 1 because there's only one arrangement. With 2 elements, we have the 2 arrangements we showed, and so on. 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, and it just keeps growing. That's basically all to know about factorial. I hope this video helped you out a bit. If it did, feel free to leave a like or subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Good luck with your learning.